The NHPC stock has been surging. It's a 22% up move this month, October. CLSA has initiated coverage in the stock in September, and it has now gone ahead and increased the price target to 54 rupees per share. They say hydropower is driven by a decadal growth opportunity led by India's net zero pledge. To discuss the outlook for the business and more importantly for the power sector, hydropower sector, we are joined by R.P. Goyal, the Director of Finance at NHPC. Mr. Goyal, good morning and thank you very much indeed for joining us. Huge hopes actually from renewable companies like NHPC. Can you tell us whether this net zero pledge has been discussed in the board and whether you all have been set some aggressive targets? If yes, what are they?
Yes, good morning. You are right. We have discussed the net zero plan in our board and we are working on that. At present, our installed capacity is 7,071 megawatt, which includes 100 megawatt from solar and wind, and rest of the capacity is from hydro only. We are at present working on 7,000 megawatt capacity, which includes 1,000 megawatt solar and 6,500 megawatt from hydro. And these projects of 7,000 megawatt are going to be commissioned by FY 26-27. So in next 5 years, our capacity will be more than double. And again, we are pipelines projects which are in pipeline are to the tune of 9,000 megawatt. These also include hydro and solar projects. So we are working towards net zero for the country. And of late, country's thrust has been on for development of hydro projects because of upcoming solar capacity.
So, yeah, Mr. Goyal, you're giving me a lot of numbers. Can you please repeat them for me? At the moment, you said you are doing 7,000 megawatts, right?
Yes, yes.
And they will get scaled up to double that, 15,000, is it?
Yes, yes, you are right.
Okay, so what is the hydro-solar split now? And what will it be when it is 15,000?
At present, we are having 7,071 megawatt installed capacity, which is under operations. So it is having only 100 megawatt from solar, and rest of the capacity is from hydro.
Hydel, yes.
And our under construction projects are to the tune of 7,000 megawatt capacity, which consists of 1,000 from solar and rest 5,000 is from hydro only.
Okay, got that.
And these projects are to be commissioned by financial year 26-27 in phase manners.
Okay. Before that, can you tell us what is the status in Subhan SRI Lower? It is going to be India's biggest hydel project, but there have been so many delays. So can you tell us when that is on stream, and also Parbhati? Yes.
Actually, Subhan SRI was standing still for 8 years due to NGT and local issues. Now work is going on very well in this project, and 85% of the total work has been already been completed, and we are committed to commission this project by end of December 23.
Okay.
So full year benefit will be available in FY 24-25.
Okay.
Similarly, so for Party 2 also, we have completed around 95% work, physical work on this project, and it is also going to be commissioned by December 23. So in 23-24, we will commission both these projects, which are 2,800 megawatts capacity, and their full financial benefit will be available to the company in FY 24-25.
Okay, so you will be a 10,000 megawatt company by 24-25.
Yes, yes. And our revenue will be around 15,000 crore by FY 24-25.
Okay, in Subhan SRI, is a percentage of the equity due for regulated return?
Yes, yes.
How much, what percentage is regulated return, and how much would that be?
Total cost of the project is 20,000 crore. Out of that, 30% equity. You can say 6,000 crore is the regulated equity.
Okay.
And it will earn 16.5% net of tax ROE.
Oh, that's very good. 16.5 would be good.
Yes.
But what have been realizations, sir? What are the dues from DISCOMs?
We are very much comfortable on realization front. basically due to support of Government of India, our outstanding has become almost zero. As on date, we have 1,000 crore outstanding, which consists only 250 crore more than 45 days, and that is also being going to be realized within 2-3 days.
One
So
minute,
you can
one
say
minute.
our,
1 minute, sir. I am not sure I've got all the numbers. You said at the moment your outstanding is only 250 crore.
more than 45 days. Overdue amount is
About
only
25 days is only 250 crore. What is
45
the
days.
total outstanding?
Total outstanding is 1,000 crore.
Okay, okay. But you are expecting that the remaining 750 crore is less than 25 days.
Yes, yes. That is not yet due.
That's not a problem for you.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Can you tell us what is the capex plan hereafter?
Our capex plan for next 10 years is around 80,000 crore. That means we are going to incur 8,000 crore annually on account of capex.
Okay, okay. Can you give us some idea, therefore, of your revenue and EBITDA growth trajectory, since you have a very clear idea at least till 24-25?
In next 5 years, our revenue will be around 15,000 crore on commissioning of these ongoing projects, and our PAT will be around 5,000 crore.
Okay.
And by 2032, our revenue will be 20,000 crore, and PAT will be 6,000 crore around.
Okay. We'll leave it at that. That's a lot of help that you have given us in terms of understanding NHPC. There is a huge rally out there expecting that the government will bet on you in a big way because of the renewables pledge or the net zero pledge. Thank you very much, Mr. Goyal, for joining us. Well, we have to